Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this direction-aware button hover effect using HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Open your code editor. Then, create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as button. Here, you can put any text you want. Our HTML part is ready. Let's write the CSS. Create a CSS file. Let's position the button to the center of screen. For the body, set height to 100%. Set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set background color to Nero black color. Set overflow to hidden. For the button class, set padding top and bottom to 24 pixels, and padding left and right to 72 pixels. For background color, you can pick any color you want. Just be sure it's a dark shade of the color. Set border radius to 100 pixels. Set position to relative. Set overflow to hidden. Set z-index to 1. Set font size to 3 rem. Set color to white. For the buttons before selector, set content to empty string. Set position to absolute. Set left to value of x variable, that we will set using JavaScript. Similarly, set top to value of y variable. Set transform to translate -50%, -50%. Set background image to radial gradient with shape as circle. And size as closest side. For the first color, set it to light shade of color we used for buttons background. set second color to transparent. Set width and height to 0. Set transition to width 0.3 seconds, ease. Same goes for height. Set z-index to -1. For button hovers before selector, set width and height to 250 pixels. Our CSS is ready. I will write JavaScript inside HTML file using script tag. Let's select the button using query selector method. Add a mouse move event listener to it. In the function, let's determine the x position by subtracting button's left offset from mouse's x coordinate. Similarly, we determine y position by subtracting button's top offset from mouse's y coordinate. Now, we will set the value of CSS variables using setProperty method. So here, our final effect is ready. So, that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, good luck, and peace.